Hi friends, welcome to my channel vinayakafashion. I am here telling about sewing machine evolution. Let's start. Hand sewing machine. This is run by hand, mainly used for stitching in household. Mostly this machine is used in Punjab. TREADLE sewing machine. This is run by legs instead of hands. This not only is the work but also saves the time. Electric sewing machine. It is the fastest type of sewing machine. Runs on electricity. It is mainly used in industries. Buttonhole machine. This is mainly used to cut and stitch buttonholes, used to make holes in coat, trouser, shirt, etc. Button fixing machine. This is used to fix buttons, saving a lot of time. Stops automatically once the buttons are fixed. Double needle machine. This is used for double back stitching in shirt. Both the needles work together. Bar tacking machine. This is used in strengthening the opening and closing of the pocket. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like my video. For more updation, please subscribe my channel. It will encouraging me to do more works. Thank you.